Hello everyone, we are Team Terratech. Imagine a world where we can build and grow while still caring for our environment. That's what Vanarakshak is all about, a way to responsibly divert land for development and take care of our trees. So what makes Vanarakshak special? Let's take a closer look at our app's functioning. So Vanarakshak simplifies the process of tree enumeration, which uses satellite imagery from Google Earth Engine and is processed using machine learning algorithms, which will then be displayed on our comprehensive dashboard. Let's go through the demonstration of our app. Let's consider a scenario where you represent a construction company or a government organization working on a development project. The first step is to log in to your Vanarakshak account, wherein you simply enter your credentials to access your personalized dashboard. Also, we ensure that the authentication is followed by authorization. Now, this is the main page of the app where you can see a list of existing projects and also create new projects. After logging in, you can create a new project. Here you will add the project details and set the stage for responsible development. Now, the next step is to mark the specific area on the map where your development is planned. Zoom in, find your site, and with a simple tap, mark the development area. This step is crucial as it will help us understand the land and its trees better. The app records your selection and displays the site details, making sure you are in control. This polygon will demarcate the construction site. An image of the construction site will now be generated, which will be further processed to calculate the vegetation cover in the development area. A view of the development site is shown using Google Maps where you can zoom in and zoom out to verify your site demarcation. Now we will begin the tree enumeration process by going to the Enum tab. Our machine learning model then processes the site image and generates an image displaying the bounding boxes against the detected trees. Here we can see that our model has detected 72 trees in the development site. Our machine learning model made using YOLO has an accuracy of 94%. Now we move on to the species tab, where the process of species identification will take place. Here, the user has to upload a video of the development site. This video is first segmented into multiple frames. Our machine learning model will process these frames to identify the tree species present in each frame. So after this process, the user will see a carousel which will display the tree species detected in each frame and will give useful insights such as the tree girth, count, area covered by each tree cluster, and the average age of each tree in the cluster. Now we move on to the report generation part. So from here, we can generate the report, and then this report can be viewed. So now we'll walk through the report generated by our app. In this section, we start by introducing the location, measured area, and the report date. We also provide the geographic coordinates of the site. The satellite imagery of the development site is essential for understanding the area. We present the land use breakdown, indicating whether the area is used for residential, commercial, agricultural, or natural habitat purposes. This section also denotes the season, which is essential for the tree reallocation purpose. The tree count is provided, which is a total of 72 trees over here within the total measured area. Also, the vegetation cover and the land cover is mentioned. Next, we come to the legal factors. India has different environment regulations for each state here, and we can see the local regulations from our selected development site. We move on to the drone footage analysis. So over here, we have done species analysis. So in this section of the report, the user can view the comprehensive distribution of the various species that are detected in the region. This data is visualized by a pie chart, which shows the distribution of the two species of trees that our model has detected. Next, we move on to the terrain and soil analysis. The terrain and soil composition are examined, taking into account soil types, soil moisture, and acidity variations. We have also analyzed the terrain elevation of the area marked for the development and displayed it in the form of a graph. This analysis helps us better understand the environmental conditions of the site. Moving on to the biological factors. So this is the highlight of our report, biological factors. This section helps us in understanding the various environmental impact the development project will be having on the biology of the region. Here we provide important data such as O2 production, CO2 production, NO2 production, then the average height, average girth, soil type, average age, and the lifespan of the trees. Here, the user can also see the visualization of the O2 production and the CO2 production, along with nitrogen levels and the growth rates. Nextly, our app uses AI to generate tree reallocation sites. Here we have listed 5 of them, which are the potential sites. So these sites have been mentioned along with their details. This includes the distance from the original site and the soil composition. The number of trees that can be reallocated for each species in each site are given, and they are given with the visual representation of the same, wherein we have plotted number of trees of each species to be reallocated at different sites along with their soil type. Nextly, we have the impact. So the impact of tree reallocation on the ecosystem is analyzed. We recommend that the reallocation can be carried out during the monsoon season to reduce the impact on environment and emphasize uprooting trees instead of cutting them. The environmental impact, specifically the CO2 O2 imbalance and the air quality, is assessed and graphically represented. We also provide a comprehensive evaluation based on the information gathered. We conclude by highlighting the importance of responsible land diversion and tree reallocation, emphasizing the need for an effective ecosystem. We stress the importance of following the provided guidelines from our reports to achieve maximum efficiency and positive results. So we are Team Terratech, and this is Vanarakshak, where our mantra is to protect, preserve, and prosper. Thank you.